So sometimes on the ICBC road test or another road test, or you might do this in real life, you need to back up in a straight line. The first thing to do is put your car into reverse right away, because this turns on the white lights on the back of your car, so it just tells other people what you're doing or what you're planning to do. Before we back up, we have to do a 360 check, so that is basically a full circle around the car, so you know what's around you before you back up. So I would do left shoulder check, nothing's there. I would scan this area, I can scan my mirror there, scan the front, scan this mirror, and this area, and that mirror, and that area, and then I would look over my right shoulder when I'm actually backing up. And you can put your left hand on the top of the steering wheel. That should keep the steering wheel straight. And it is the only time on the ICBC road test that you can have one hand on the steering wheel. You're allowed all the rest of the maneuvers and driving stuff on the road test. You need to have two hands on the steering wheel or they will probably fail you, even if your driving is perfect otherwise. So anyway, you can put your right hand on the back of this other seat if you want to. You don't have to. A lot of people do. And then you just want to look out the back window at something in the middle of the back window. In this case, there's nothing really exciting in the middle of the window, but proceed at a walking speed, looking at something in the middle of the window. You can check your mirror. You can check the front if you want. If you're not sure you're going straight or not, you mostly be looking where you're going, just like we do when we're going forwards. We look forwards. So when you're driving backwards, you should look backwards. When you're done, change it out of reverse into drive, park, basically anything else. Just don't sit there in reverse, because that's a bad habit to get into. You might forget you're in reverse one day, and then we don't want you taking your foot off the brake and thinking you're in drive or a forward gear when you're actually in reverse. That could be bad. So here it is a little faster. Reverse. 360 check. Nice straight line. And change it back. Neutral, drive, park. Change it into something, anything else, as a good habit of safe driving. And if you do have one of these fancy cameras, you can glance at it occasionally, but mostly you should still be looking backwards, because we don't want to rely on these like a lot, especially on your road test. I find it useful for figuring out exactly how close I am to another car when I'm actually parking. Hope that all made sense. I'm going to take this camera off my head now.